Welcome back, everybody. Women who suffer with the pain and discomfort of uterine fibroids know how much time suffering with these takes out of your life. But did you know there is a new therapy available and you're going to be back on your feet in no time? The man who does it, my guest, Dr. Iqbal of Buffalo Vascular Care, right here on Transit Road in Lancaster. Dr. Iqbal, it's great to see you again.
Good morning, Linda. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Listen, I personally suffered from fibroids. They were nasty many years ago, and at that time, my only choices were myomectomy or hysterectomy. Not so today.
Unfortunately, those are the choices which are still offered,
Yes.
but there is an option,
Yes.
a non-surgical option called uterine fibroid embolization.
Now, tell me what that is.
This is a procedure where the blood supply to the fibroids is directly blocked using small beads, and that works to shrink down the fibroids without surgery. And we've been doing this for about 20 years, and actually I was the first person who brought this procedure to this area.
And you say it's actually not surgery.
It's not surgery. We put a small catheter, which is a small hollow plastic tube, through a small artery, and direct it into the blood supply to the fibroids under X-ray guidance, and that's how the whole procedure is done.
Wow. And that would be fibroids, whether they're around the uterus or in the uterus?
All the fibroids are treated at once.
Wow.
At one sitting.
In one sitting, and so the woman after that is free to go after that? I mean, it doesn't sound like there's very much downtime.
Well, at Buffalo Vascular Care, we have actually innovated the treatment because now we're doing it through a wrist artery. So after the procedure, the patient is actually walking. Amazing. And the cramp control and pain control is really nicely accomplished this way because they can walk, and most of these women will go home in 2 to 4 hours.
Wow. There are still women actually being spoken to about the fact that they might have a hysterectomy. They don't maybe even know about this procedure. And so many women are walking around who weren't able to have children because of these fibroids. And now it's almost a simple procedure, but it's done here at Buffalo Vascular Care. And that's a big reason why people should choose here to have this treated.
It's not a hospital. It's a great facility, and our staff is very caring, and we take pride in taking care of patients, and this is what we do.
Are fibroids hereditary? Are they fairly common?
Yes, indeed. They're more common in certain races. If you're from an African-American ancestry or Asian, it's more common.
And certainly it would be better for you if you come in sooner rather than later.
Indeed, when these symptoms become unmanageable with medical therapy, that's the time to seek treatment and at least learn your options.
Right. Tell me again, what is this procedure called? Because people are going to call and they're going to be asking you about it.
It's called uterine fibroid embolization, and in some cases it's also called uterine artery embolization. But the correct name is uterine fibroid embolization because you're treating the fibroids.
And it can be treated really in just in one visit?
Indeed.
Dr. Iqbal, you amaze me. It's fantastic. They do so much great work here. Buffalo Vascular Care, and they're right here in our community on Transit Road right in Lancaster. Believe me, I know if you're suffering from fibroids or you know someone who is, let's think about this alternative before you do something drastic, because it sounds like this is going to be your answer and you're going to be on your feet in no time. Dr. Iqbal is here at the Buffalo Vascular Care Center right on Transit Road in Lancaster. Fibroids, by all means, make sure you call this office before your treatment. You just might find something that is going to be unbelievably simple compared to what you've been through already. Let me tell you, because I did have fibroids back in the day. It was a tough operation. This is unbelievable. Make sure you give them a call, Buffalo Vascular Care, for your uterine fibroids and see if they can help you. I'm sure they can. Their number is 852-1977, or you can go to their website, buffalofibroidfree.com.